We are back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock having an explosive move to the upside since yesterday, going into today within the volatility and actually detaching itself and separating itself from the overall market, because the overall market was going downwards and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 7:05 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward leading up to the bell and even after the bell, put options went up 2 to 4x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge and clarity over the charts within the volatility. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock is actually looking very interesting. We have some things to talk about here. You're definitely going to want to stick around for today's levels within the charts. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. All three of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was GOVX. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and right at the bell shifted into strength, got that bull indicator, and gave a highest point of 25% plus, dipped back down and jumped up 10 to 20% plus moves, and gave a highest point again up here of 25% plus, giving two opportunities of 25% plus and collectively 50% plus of both highest points of possibility. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move to try to hold itself up. It's fighting here to hold itself up and find support, and within the volatility it's trying to bring itself back down. I mean, within one single bar it went up to the 570s and it came back down to the 530s, but from yesterday's move, once the bull indicator popped up way down here around the 450s up to this point, it has been a pretty explosive move of 30% plus, right? So in today's video, we're going to talk about some key levels. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock, very volatile today, got a bear indicator, quickly shifted back to a bull indicator, and is trying to hold itself up here. And the question mark is, will it continue to go lower, or is this bull indicator going to hold up true and within the volatility bring itself up even higher tomorrow? Because as I showed earlier about our SPY bot and the SPY, Aterian has continued pushing up while the SPY in the overall market has continued pushing lower. So it's not even following the overall market. If anything, it's doing its own thing. And this is where it's getting very interesting, and we need to watch these levels very, very closely. But I'm going to pull up the 4-hour and the 1-day first, and then we're going to talk about resistance and supports. So when we pull up the 4-hour here, you could see that things have actually continued with the dark green shift, right? Going from red to dark green, but no bull indicator in the process. So in this full move, even if we continue higher and no bull indicator pops up to negate this bear indicator, this bear indicator will continue to dominate over the chart and the overall direction in the bigger picture. Once there's weakness again, or if there's a pullback, is going to be downwards. Why? Because that bear indicator will continue to hold true within this volatility. It needs to be canceled out by a bull indicator within this move and push up, right? It's been big and it's been a strong move, but it needs to continue to break through resistance levels and also get that bull indicator so that it could signify possible further strength. So tomorrow will be very interesting to see if this goes into dark green with a bull indicator or dark green with red borders shifting back downwards, and this bear indicator continuing to dominate. So let's go over to the 1 day here, and on the 1 day you could see that things are still under a bull indicator, shifted from dark green with red borders today into bright green. So if this continuation can happen, eventually we're going to have the 4-hour follow, and if they continue to go larger and larger like they've done right here, and this continues upwards, this bull indicator has been holding true within the volatility since $2.48. Now, if you go back over to the 4-hour, this could get continuation of a pull up with it and the 1 day holding true, finally bringing the 4-hour higher and then canceling out this bear indicator with a bull indicator popping up in that move. That's going to be very interesting as we see it. So the 1 day bull indicator, 4-hour bear indicator, and trying to push up, but no bull indicator just yet. And on the 30-minute, a lot of volatility within the moves up and down, but this bull indicator since yesterday at 440s, 450s was a strong one that lasted all the way into today, and it's still higher since it popped up at $4.40, and right now we're at $5.30. So the question is, what are the resistance and supports that we need to watch going into tomorrow? Because like I stated again, this stock is doing its own thing while the rest of the market is pulling downwards. And if this continues, we'll have to pay close attention to that 1 day, the 4-hour, and that this 30-minute bull indicator holds true here from $5.36 unless it gets canceled out by a bear indicator if this pullback continues. So it's going to be, once again, very interesting. The first support level here is 525. If that gets broken through, the next one's down here at 486. Those are the key levels I'm watching right now. We definitely want to see this stay above $5 and fight to get back above it if it gets below it. And we need to see if the bulls can reverse this back up if it was to lead to those areas. Now, to the upside, the highest point of the day was 578. And that's a resistance level that we've talked about before. But most importantly, we want $6 to be broken through. That's the first key level. And getting back above it is pretty bullish. And there could be some shorts that could be squeezed out of their positions if we get back above $6. If we do, the next resistance level is up at $6.40. I would like to see the bulls break through that and turn that into a support. Very interesting day. Big explosive move from yesterday to today, and I'm going to be watching 42 vision very carefully on these different time frames and watching within the volatility. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make